Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you how I prepare my jollof rice. It's so easy and simple. I've already pre-cooked my rice, so I added in my mixed spices, added my seasoning powder, added some sauce, garlic paste and ginger paste. Then I will bring in my already fried tomatoes. I will add it and give everything a good mix. I will also add in hot water and give it a very good mix so as to combine everything together. Then I will cover it to start cooking on a high heat. Honestly, this is my best and easy way of preparing my Nigerian jollof. And my kids love eating jollof rice a lot, so anytime we are going to eat this rice, I make out my time to prepare it in a way that it will be so delicious and so yummy. So guys, I almost forgot adding my chicken stock, so that is the last thing I added, and I give it a little bit mix. Then I covered it to start cooking. So at this point my rice is done. I added my bell peppers and my freshly parsley leaves. I just combined everything together and it's done. Honestly, it's so tasty, so yummy. Like, my kids love this rice a lot and it's so delicious. Thank you for watching my video and see you on my next video. Bye guys.